Before starting with our training example, there is some basic knowledge which you need to have before going any further with this course. A BIM model serves as an information platform for all project participants and helps identify and solve problems in an early phase. Also, during the construction and operation, all contributors benefit from a central bundle of information. SOFiSTiK focuses on the structural design. We offer a comprehensive range of tools which allows to model, calculate, and design and reinforce structures in one data model. For many aspects of the structural design, such as coordination, formwork planning, or reinforcement detailing, a structural model is needed. Additionally, to perform static calculation, an analytical model is needed. Understanding the roles and differences of both the structural and the analytical model is important. So we now take a moment to look at those two models in detail. On one hand, there is a structural model. It embodies the volume of an object and is used for architectural or formwork planning. On the other hand, there is the analytical model. This wireframe model represents the structural properties of an object and is used for calculation. With the introduction of Revit 2023, there has been an important change. These two models are created and behave completely independent from each other. They have their own geometry as well as their own Revit properties. This brings great flexibility and frees you from constraints. However, it raises a question. Do I have to laboriously model the structure twice manually? No, with just a few clicks, SOFiSTiK Analytical Model Generator takes over this step. Once the analytical model exists, static calculation and designs can be performed using the finite element method. SOFiSTiK Analysis and Design allows to conduct these tasks by generating finite elements in the background. It also enables performing standard calculation and designs directly within Revit. For more complex or more detailed analysis, the features integrated in Revit may not be enough. Therefore, an access to the SOFiSTiK structural desktop and its complete range of tools is available. Relying on the already existing finite element model ensures a consistent data transfer regardless of the workflow chosen. Working together with the structural desktop is outside of the scope of this tutorial. Please refer to other tutorials to know more about this topic. The next video in this series explains how to use a SOFiSTiK Analytical Model Generator to derive the analytical model from a structural one.